The inspection body shall have an organisation that enables to maintain the capability to perform its technical inspections satisfactorily. So this would mean that you have the right manpower, they're trained technically properly, that you have the right equipment, that the manpower is sufficient to cover all the districts and all the crops that you're working across. Okay, next slide, please. So the inspection body shall define and document responsibilities and reporting structures of the organisation, where the inspection body also supplies certification and or testing services. The relationship between its functions must be clearly defined. So this again would mean that you have to have an organisation chart where everybody's roles are clearly defined, and that everyone's departments are all clearly defined, and you would find this in your organisation chart. Thank you, next slide. And this one is quite an important clause. So it's that every inspection body shall have a technical manager, however named, who is qualified and experienced in the operation of inspection body and who has overall responsibility that the inspection activities are carried out in accordance with this standard. So this is a permanent member of staff. You can have multiple technical managers, but there is always has to be one duty, always one technical manager. This person has to also be trained in every inspection across all the different crops that you are working in, and every audit must also be signed off by this technical manager. So this person is really important that they have the right training, because they oversee the whole inspection process. So then they don't know that they have to do every single inspection, but they will oversee every department and every audit that has been taken place under it. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. I think Rachel has explained very well with respect to her experience in this value chain inspection as well. I would request all the PMB inspection department staff to please listen this lecture carefully, and then the next step we would do basically online interaction with you as per the time agreed, so that if you have some questions we can discuss in detail, and then at that time we will share some assignment that what you have to do and what you have to prepare, because then we have to prepare with respect to this class number 4 and class number 5. We have to prepare all the documents. We have to prepare the procedures. We have to prepare basically the policies. We have to prepare the formats. And this will be then called the implementation process of the establishment of the inspection body at PMB. And we will move step by step. But the first step is to please listen this module 1 carefully, and then we will do the online discussion together. And after that, we will move to the next module with respect to the class number 6 and 7, or with respect to the class number 6 only. This is our basically the social media accounts, Twitter and Facebook. I would request everybody to please stay in contact with this accounts as well, so that you may get all the information with respect to the project and with respect to the project activities. Thank you very much. Thank you.